Shillong All Faith Forum kabadai kasenjuk jong kinu yalam niam kanong ba Shillong hakas ni palai jong katayo kalapan pau ya kajing benyau kabajur halo kajing mi kajing kentho bakadan kajing nyau ben bat kajing ban ben ya kipat Hindu hapo kajala bat pensyai bahaduk mentahi kampat judan setia kawai ru kasin baki reunget nakano kanukaniam ken ngat hakum kene kaapon hakajala. President Shillong All Faith Forum, Most Reverend Purely Lingdo, habiyakren bat kinong patay kubor hakanikasngi ulakan tat mardor ya kijing keno bakadan kijing leben ni thombor ya kiwai pat kijat benriu hakajala halor kanyam haba pensha ya kijing ujor bat kijing kentho kibalami hakaransan jong ka social media. Namarkani ulakan tu khamtam ki khon samla bakin long ki bajai ban yashim yakaan hakakti habaong bakidon bun ki rensan ki balak ban weng ni penbet yakani ko huri hura kabami menta katkom ke jing ong jong kaseng niam Hindu hakajia lang badang shen jong ko forum kalapan pausai kedar bakam judon satya kanu kanu ke jing le ben ni thombor ya kaniam Hindu hakajala bat ya kan hela sakhi na ke jing la ban penyat bet ya renti ya ke jing le niam puja ka badang shen Most Reverend Purely Lingdo ula pentep banakaliang jong ke SAFF kalong ke belakloi ban let yakendo markhmat ikibriu ki bakentho lengba ke social media ban sngap ya ke ke bakidan ban penpau ni ujor.
Shillong has never experienced religious discord. Shillong has never undergone any religious discrimination so far. It is only now that such things are coming up, and this we appeal to the whole state together as members of the Shillong All Faith Forum. We appeal to the state to be calm, not to take things without properly thinking, especially to young people. We appeal to them not to take things in their own hands, but there are always the right forums, there are always platforms where things can be discussed, things can be sorted out. Hindu communities and all other religious communities have expressed very clearly just now in the meeting that they have never experienced any religious discrimination in the state. Just recently we had the puja celebrations. So peaceful. Mr. Naba is the president of the CPC. So peacefully all functions, all celebrations.
President ke Central Puja Committee Naba Bhattacharjee ulong bakajingla ban penya ya ke Durga Puja da ke basuk ke basan hakajala kadai na mar ke jingkerja na kipat diulum bat kani kalayai beteng na duk kipor ki bamensua haduk mentaru namar kata ulakan tui ke nong song shnong ke jala bakim dai ban ngop hakishrip ki bapen ap de ki brio ki banabar ke jala ban la ban penduk pendam ya ke jing sngau baro.
This could not have happened without the support, the cooperation and the fraternity and amity from the majority, I don't want to use the term majority, but from the indigenous community. And this has been happening for ages, for decades. Such a peaceful celebration. And this itself, I think, is our victory, President. The victory of Meghalayans, the Shillongites. And we should not fall into the trap of people from outside.